I've had type 1 diabetes since I was 9 years old. I wanted to get my insulin doses right, so I pricked my finger all the time. I'd be going, then stop. Then I got the FreeStyle Libre system. Now, no more hassles with pricking my fingers all the time. I can check my glucose whenever, and I get lots of information. I just scan. That's it. It's really amazing.
You can use a sensor for up to 14 days, then it automatically stops. At this point, the reader will tell you it's time to replace the sensor. To take off the old sensor, pull up the adhesive's edge and slowly peel it away in one motion. To put on a new sensor, find a new site and clean it with an alcohol wipe. Prepare the sensor pack and sensor applicator as instructed in applying the sensor. Apply the sensor. Make sure the sensor is secure after application. One last step. Just like before, tap Start New Sensor on the reader. Hold the reader within 4 centimeters to scan it. The sensor needs an hour of startup time. And that's how easy it is to use the FreeStyle Libre system. Starting today, checking your glucose will never be the same. With the FreeStyle Libre system, there are no more routine finger pricks, and you can check your glucose anytime, anywhere, discreetly, as often as you like, so you can manage your glucose and your insulin doses better based on your healthcare professional's guidance. Why prick when you can scan?